In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from PayPal. If you want to move money out of your PayPal account, the process is very straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do. To begin, open PayPal and sign into your account. Once you're on the main account screen, look for your PayPal balance. This is the area that shows how much money is currently available in your account. Go ahead and click on your PayPal balance to open more options related to that money. After you click your balance, you'll be taken to the section where you can manage your funds. Here, look for the option that says Transfer Funds. Click on that to continue. This is the button that starts the withdrawal process and lets you move money out of PayPal. Once you're in the transfer section, PayPal will show you the available places where you can send your money. In most cases, this could be a linked bank account or another eligible transfer destination already connected to your PayPal account. At this stage, you can select where you want the funds to go and review the transfer details before confirming anything. Make sure you choose the correct destination account, especially if you have more than one option saved in PayPal. You may also be able to choose the amount you want to transfer depending on your available balance and the transfer options shown on your screen. Take a moment to double-check everything here so you avoid sending the money to the wrong place or entering the wrong amount. Pay attention to any information PayPal gives you about processing time, possible transfer fees, or estimated arrival dates. These details can vary depending on the type of transfer you select. If you need the money quickly, it's a good idea to review those notes carefully before finishing. Once you've selected the destination and confirmed the transfer details, you can proceed with the withdrawal. After that, the request will be submitted and PayPal will begin processing it. And that's all there is to it. Just click on your PayPal balance, select Transfer Funds, choose where you want the money to go, review the details, and complete the transfer. If this is your first time doing it, just move slowly and read each screen carefully, and you should have no trouble withdrawing your funds from PayPal.